We are one of a number of partners which are aiming to improve biodiversity in West Lothian and improve the quality of the river. There are 7 barriers which prevent fish passage up the Almond from the sea at Cramond in Edinburgh all the way up the whole length of the river. At the moment fish can't get past this barrier, but the barrier can't be removed because it is helping shore up the bridge upstream of it. So you can't physically remove the barrier, so what you have to do is adapt it to allow the fish to navigate the river and get further upstream to breed. The Council is leading this project but can only do so with the support of funders, the Scottish Government and SEPA Water Environment Fund and the Forth Rivers Trust.
Well, as you can see, there's quite a lot of work going on site here, and we're about to build a large rock ramp fish pass in the river, which is a natural looking fish pass that's going to enable fish to get up past this weir.
So the end goal is about getting fish back into the wider River Almond network. The fish can have access to tens and tens of kilometres if we tackle all 7 of these weirs, just like Howden Bridge.
A couple of centuries ago, salmon would have been throughout this whole area, but because these barriers have been built, we're actually effectively preventing the salmon from getting up into the catchment to reproduce. It's not just migratory species. Fish need to be able to move about within their habitat in order to fulfil the different stages of their life cycle.
The first week we were establishing the site entrance and the site compound. This week we've been establishing the temporary works ramp that's required to give us access to the river, and we've just today started placing the temporary dam which is going to close off half the river. When we get the first phase finished, we'll then switch the temporary dam over and we'll access from the side that we're standing on at the moment.
The Forth Rivers Trust, we are heavily involved with engaging people in the project, with getting volunteers, doing various activities and engaging with primary schools for education projects as well. So we've been monitoring fish populations throughout the Almond catchment, and we actually have a monitoring site just downstream of here. And by carrying out that survey work every year, we will be able to track the progress of salmon moving up the catchment.
Well, we're just on the north bank of the river here, where we completed the ramp. We've just been doing a quick site visit. Really pleased to see the landscaping taking hold on the banks. The erosion control's working well, the greenery's returned, and the wildlife are returned as well.
Well, we have completed Howden Bridge Weir's brand new rock ramp, and it's fantastic to see it. So the project's very much been a partnership, and key to that has been the River Life Partnership, headed by the Forth Rivers Trust. And that also involves the West Lothian Council and City of Edinburgh Council, as well as SEPA. And then of course you have the builders and the designers in AMCO and ACOM that actually have to make this happen on the ground. So very much working together in cooperation. And SEPA is very much about promoting one planet prosperity that will allow Scotland to thrive now and in the future within the limits of our natural resources. And structures like this are one small part to achieve that. We're building better fish populations, making our rivers healthier, and hopefully future generations can enjoy that and build on those successes in the future. So it's an ideal day to say thank you to everybody that's been involved, from the builders and designers to the various people working on the partnership and funding it. It's been a great challenge, but we got there, we've succeeded, and thank you to everybody that's been involved.